Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your LinkedIn Learning app. So all you have to do, just go down, click here on my Learning down here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just click on your name here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. Then you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do now, just go down here. So you keep going down and you click here on account settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. Just wait to open with you here. So it's going to take a time to open. Then you click here on visibility here. So then come to this list. Then you go down and you click here on notify connections when you are in the news. So then you come here to notify network. If mention it in news, you click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.